Dear students, today I am going to explain electron dot structure in chemistry. So first is of CO2. Here atomic number of carbon is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2 4. Here 4 is the valence electron which will take part in the reaction, and atomic number of oxygen is 8 and its electronic configuration is 2 6. Here 6 is electron in the outermost orbit. This will only take part in the reaction, and sharing or losing of electrons are taking part by the valence electrons. Here you see there is a sharing of two electrons each by carbon and oxygen atoms. Here both are unlike elements, unlike atoms, and that's why differently we are symbolizing the dots. Points or, or dots have been given for oxygen and cross mark for carbon. So here sharing of two electrons between carbon and oxygen is taking place, and then it forms double covalent bonds. So this is the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide. Next is molecule of sulfur, and there are 8 atoms in molecule of sulfur, S8. Here atomic number of sulfur is 16 and its electronic configuration is 286. So 6 electrons are taking part in the formation of S8 molecule of sulfur. So here you see between two sulfur there is sharing of 1 electrons, and in this way all the sulfur atoms are sharing 1 electron to each other, and this electronic dot structure is formed and it makes 1 molecule of sulfur, that is S8. Next, third one is cyclopentane, whose molecular formula is C5H10. Here you find there is single sharing of, that means single electron sharing of between hydrogen and carbon. One carbon atom is sharing the electron with two different hydrogen atoms, and you know that hydrogen's duplet is complete. Hydrogen is becoming stable in having two electrons in the outermost orbit, so it becomes stable, whereas carbon needs 8 electrons. So it needs octet to be completed. So two hydrogen atoms, each carbon atom is sharing 1 electron, and then in this way electron dot structure is formed, and it forms covalent compounds between hydrogen and carbon. There is single covalent, whereas between carbon and carbon there is also single covalent, because between two different carbon atoms single covalent bond is formed. Okay, in this way electron dot structure is formed. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.